Gracewood London is marketed as a fashion brand offering elegant clothing, timeless styles, and premium-looking collections with attractive discounts. The branding creates the impression of sophisticated British boutique. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every online fashion store using London in its name is misleading. Some are legitimate retailers, while others simply use British-inspired branding. What it does well: the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a premium boutique feel. The website appears polished. A modern e-commerce design makes shopping simple and appealing. British-inspired branding is attractive. The London image gives a brand a classic fashion appeal. Where the concerns start appearing: a London name doesn't prove a British business. This is the biggest issue. Many online retailers use location-based branding without actually operating in the UK. Product photos don't guarantee product quality. Marketing images may not always match what customers receive. Large, ongoing discount can create artificial urgency. Permanent sales can encourage impulse purchases. So, should you buy from Gracewood London? Short answer: proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately label it fake, but you shouldn't rely solely on the branding or discounts. Check independent customer reviews and use a buyer-protected payment method before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.